If your YouTube videos are playing but there's no sound in Google Chrome, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is one of those frustrating problems that can happen for a few different reasons, but the good news is that it's usually very easy to solve. We'll check the YouTube player volume, your Windows volume, whether the Chrome tab is muted, and then we'll move on to clearing cache and turning off hardware acceleration if needed. So if this helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube in Google Chrome and start playing the video that has no sound. Before changing any advanced settings, always check the basics first. Look at the YouTube player itself and make sure it is not muted. Sometimes the player volume is turned all the way down, or the video may be muted by accident. Move the volume slider up and confirm that the mute icon is not active. This sounds simple, but it solves the issue more often than people think. Next, check your Windows volume. Look down at the speaker icon on the taskbar and click it. Make sure the system volume is turned up and not muted. Also check whether Chrome has been lowered in the volume mixer, because sometimes the browser audio gets reduced even when the rest of the computer sounds normal. If your system audio is too low, YouTube videos will seem silent even though everything is working in the browser. If the sound is still missing, the next thing to check is whether the Chrome tab itself is muted. Right-click the YouTube tab at the top of the browser and look for an option that says Unmute Site. If you see that option, click it right away. A muted browser tab blocks audio from that website completely, so even if the video and system volume are fine, you still won't hear anything. After that, try restarting Google Chrome. Close the browser completely, then open it again and go back to YouTube. Temporary glitches in Chrome can sometimes break audio playback, and a simple restart is often enough to fix it. If the sound problem is still happening, the next step is to clear the Chrome cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Then select Cached Images and Files and click Delete Data. Corrupted cache files can interfere with how YouTube loads and plays media, so clearing them can often resolve strange playback issues, including missing audio. If you still have no sound after that, go into Chrome settings and disable hardware acceleration. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open the System section. Find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. After that, click Relaunch so Chrome restarts with the new setting. Hardware acceleration is helpful in many cases, but on some systems it can cause video and audio issues, especially with streaming sites like YouTube. Once Chrome opens again, go back to YouTube and test the video one more time. In many cases, one of these fixes will restore the audio immediately. If the sound is back, great, you're all set. If not, you now have the main troubleshooting steps that solve most Chrome and YouTube sound problems without needing any complicated tools. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fix tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.